Are you struggling with Laravel not inserting all your data into the database? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you see some data being saved while others are mysteriously missing. It can feel like you're chasing ghosts in your code. But don't worry, we will get to the bottom of this. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user is coding a comment section and is able to retrieve user data from a form. However, when they try to store this data in the database, only the body field is being saved. The post ID, name, and email fields are coming up empty. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be causing this issue? It often boils down to how the data is being sent from the form to the controller. We need to ensure that the names of the input fields match what the controller is expecting. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue of missing data in the database, the user should first ensure that the form inputs are correctly named. Each input field must match the keys used in the create method. Next, the user should verify that the comment model is set up to allow mass assignment for these fields. This can be done by checking the fillable property in the comment model. After confirming the model setup, the user should check for any validation rules that might be preventing the data from being saved. Ensure that there are no validation errors. Finally, the user should inspect the database migration for the comments table. Ensure that all fields are correctly defined and that there are no constraints preventing data insertion. Fun fact, did you know that the first web forms were created in the early 1990s? They were simple, but they laid the groundwork for the complex forms we use today. Just like coding, it's all about building on the basics. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking the mass assignment settings in your model. To fix the issue, you need to set the fillable property in your comment model to include all the fields you want to assign. This includes name, email, body, and post ID. Alternatively, you can create a new comment instance and assign each field individually before saving it. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your input names and database schema before hitting that submit button. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of missing data in your Laravel application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and remember to keep coding.